So the camera I'm going to show you today is a 2K camera, a 100% wireless. Yes, it's going to use a 2.4 gigahertz in a wireless network, and it's going to be charging with a solar panel. Let me show you now. So how we do it, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. Well, always we bring you the latest in technology, and today we have a real cool security camera. Now this is an outdoor security camera, so rain and snow, no problem. 100% wireless. Why? It's going to be charging with the solar panel. It has internal battery, so during the night it's going to use the internal batteries. And pretty much straightforward. It supports up to 128 gigabytes right over there. And one thing I like too is on and off. Not a special switch or anything. On and off in the set. And then for resetting, you're going to press right there in case you're going to be changing router or you changing into a different network. It has a powerful speaker and super easy to mount. What do you get besides this? So you get a solar panel. So we have the bracket to mount the solar panel. This, I guess, if you want to mount this maybe in a tree, and power cables, the screws, brackets, and more screws, everything. So you get everything in the whole package. Besides a professional package as well too. But let's move this to the side because show you that. Let's look at the camera once again. It has the antenna. It's a REOLINK and it's super easy. So that's where you're going to install the solar panels. Let me show you how to configure the camera.
Install the app and scan the QR code on the camera. Willkommen bei REOLINK. Bitte benvenuto a REOLINK. Si prega di installare l'app e scansionare il codice QR sulla telecamera. Bienvenido a REOLINK. Por favor, instale la aplicación REOLINK y escanee el código QR en la cámara. Welcome to REOLINK. Install the app and scan the QR code. Oh, scan succeeded. Camera connecting to your router. Please wait. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to REOLINK. Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to REOLINK.
As you see, it's super easy to install the camera. Now, if we're going to go over the configuration of the camera, well, first is a dual audio, so we can send audio and at the same time we can hear the audio. It has a powerful speaker. Now, the alarm is real nice, so it has an alarm where you can set it up. This is just a test. Now, you can change either the alarm default or a voice prompt. So you can record your message. That's pretty cool, right? So you can record your message. Say, by the way, this is a private property. If you're not leaving now, we're going to call the cops. Whatever message you want to leave, and you can activate that through the application. And you can set the time as well too, you know, from 8 to 5 or whatever that will be the case. We can have a full screen. We can, same time, let me show you the configuration. And the configuration is pretty much straightforward. Display allow you to flip the screen if you want, audio, lighting, how you want the motion sensor, and how you want the camera to record. We can push notification, and even you can push notification through your email. You can share the camera with other people, and also the sirens. That's what I show you that today. We can set 128 gigabytes. If we want to take pictures, we can take pictures. We'll save it right on my phone, or we can click record and automatically will start recording. Also, the camera is going to record right with the memory. But in case you catch somebody and you want to have a dual video, well, just record also on your phone as well too. How we get the camera? Pretty simple. It's going to be the link right below this video, and we have more security cameras to check. I'll leave the link as well too in this video. And once again, I'm Dario, and I'll see you next time. Bye.